Normal. Average, mundane, normal. Who would want to be normal? Who would want to live life and do business as usual when you could be remarkable? What you do is just what you do. But what defines you is how you do it. How do you craft a remarkable culture? Because it's absolutely critical in what you do. As a matter of fact, I would suggest that your culture is the single most important differentiating factor that you possess. There's nothing more important than your culture. You, if you want to be successful, if you want to be remarkable, you have to constantly be a champion for and a keeper of the culture. There's nothing more important than you keeping your hand on the helm of culture. And if you're not actively and intentionally trying to move that culture in a positive direction, then one day you may wake up and you may not like the culture that has evolved, because you'll have a culture either by design, you're giving it intentionality, thoughtful reflection, you're moving it in a positive direction, or you will neglect the culture because you're busy about other things, and you will wind up with a culture by default.
But at the end of the day, I so desire to help leaders create environments that inspire their teams to bring their best to work every day.